Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, factor 5 raised to power x out here. We have 5 raised to power x into brackets 1 plus 1 left here equals to 60 on this side. This here we have 5 raised to power x times 1 plus 1, that gives us 2 equals to 60 from here. Then next step here, divide both side by 2. That is, divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. Here 2 cancelled each other. And we have 5 raised to power x equals to 60 over 2. That is, here we can write it as 5 raised to power x equals to 2 times 30 over 2 here. That is, here 2 cancelled each other. This becomes 5 raised to power x equals to 30 here. And here we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 30 from here. The next step, we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. But this here we have x log 5 equals to log 30 on this side. Then here we divide both sides by log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. So this here, log 5 cancel each other. We have x equals to log 30 over log 5. Then next step here, we can express 30 as 5 times 6. What we have becomes x equals to log 5 times 6 over log 5. Then we apply the law of logarithm here. When we have log a times b, is same thing as log a plus log b. And this here we have x equals to log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. Then next step here, separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. But this here we have log 5 cancel each other, 1 left here. But this x equals to 1 plus log 6 over log 5. Then from here, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 3 over log 5. And this also follows the law of logarithm. And this we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 over log 5. Then separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Then next step here, we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is, we have the value of x in this problem as 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, you substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is, what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 plus also 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then here follows one we had. Same thing together. That is a plus a. And write it as 2 times a. Then what we have here will be written as 2 times 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? And this follows when we have a raised to power n plus n. This same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. As this here we have 2 times 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? This here we have 2 times 5 raised to power 1, that's 5 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. Here we have 2 then times 3. Is this equals to 60 on this side? Then 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 2, 20. And 20 times 3, that gives us 60. Equals to 60 from here. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, conclude that x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.